guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have another Glamour jewelry unboxing to share with you. If this sounds like something interesting to you, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. For those of you that watch my videos regularly, first and foremost, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. You know that I'm a bargain hunter, and you know that I love jewelry. That is why I love sharing the Glamour jewelry subscription with you. Here's what Glamour jewelry has to say. Get the designer jewelry experience without designer pricing. Monthly jewelry subscription box delivered straight to your door. Each month you'll get a collection of 3 beautifully curated jewelry pieces, including a necklace, bracelet, and earrings, all yours to keep. It says that you'll get at least $75 worth of jewelry pieces in each collection for a total of $33.45 a month. That's where they've added the shipping in. There is no commitment required. You can skip or cancel anytime. And I just wanted to show you this. This is the same 3 pieces that I'm showing you today. Full disclosure, this subscription is sent to me to review on this channel and to share with you, but I think it is a really good value. When you back the numbers out, you end up paying $11.15 per piece, and they are yours to keep. Without further ado, let's look at the pieces that came in this little pouch. I am going to step in closer so that I can show you every detail. If you're curious about my nails, I will link a video related to them in the cards above, but I digress. This piece is by the boutique brand Madison Parker. It is called the Starbright Necklace. It says a strand of delicate diamonds makes this a simple statement. This necklace can be paired with any look, providing an extra touch of timeless style. Wow, the retail price of this is $30, and bear in mind, even with the shipping, the entire cost of this subscription is $33.45. Here's what this delicate necklace looks like on. I also want to point out that this necklace matches the bracelet that came in last month's subscription perfectly. I love that about it. I will try to remember to link that video in the cards above. The next piece we're going to talk about is this gorgeous bracelet. This is from the Sophia collection, and this is called the Harlow bracelet. The Harlow bracelet is an adjustable and easy-to-wear piece. Its beautiful crescent pendant shines while bringing a clarity and simple look. And the retail price of this one is $25, and I could easily see this going for that out there in a boutique. Here's a look at this bracelet on. I love the simplicity of it. I also am a big fan of this type of closure because I can put this bracelet on and off myself, and this will adjust to nearly any wrist size. I paired this month's bracelet with the one that I received last month, and I think they really complement each other. The final thing in this month's collection are these gorgeous earrings by the brand Laurel and Rose. These are the Mia earrings, and it says that the Mia earrings with their gorgeous glass drop design are lightweight, and that's true. I found these to be very lightweight and easy to wear. These earrings add a perfect statement that goes from a day at work to an evening out, and the retail price on these is $24. And again, I could completely see these in a boutique for at least that much. And here's a look at the entire collection, the necklace, the bracelet, and the earrings. I cannot get over the value for this particular subscription. Each one of these pieces is well worth the $11.15 that it comes out to. Not only am I impressed with the value of the Glamour jewelry subscription, I also find the quality to be there. I have been wearing last month's pieces non-stop. I know I shouldn't have, but I even wore a couple swimming, and they are still going strong. I can't recommend this subscription enough. I am going to link the Glamour jewelry website in the description box below. I also have a special code that if you decide to try this service, you will get a bonus piece of jewelry free, so you will actually get 4 pieces in your first box. Now that I've shared all 3 of these pieces with you, I would love to know which is your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. So let's talk about my outfit of the day. The jewelry was a no-brainer. I have on all of the pieces that I just shared with you. The top that I am wearing is my all-time favorite purchase from Old Navy in the history of ever. I have been wearing this non-stop because it is lightweight, it is breathable. I love the bright pops of the floral print on this. It skims the body without being too tight, but it's also not too billowy. The shorts that I'm wearing are by Cut from the Cloth. I did pick pick these up through the Stitch Fix Shop My Look section. If I can find these exact shorts, I will list them in the description box below. They are so comfortable and they are the perfect length for me. The shoes that I'm wearing are also a Stitch Fix find. I wear these all of the time. They are so comfortable. These are by the brand Report. The bag that I'm carrying is from Lucky Find. I will list both of these items in the description box below, and this completes my outfit of the day. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys!